Hello friends, I want to bring some fusion transitions under your attention that you probably overlooked. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm here in the edit page. I put two images on the timeline. So I go to the effects library, and in the effects library I go to video transitions, and in the video transitions I'm going to the fusion transitions. Here I'm looking for the slide right effect. It's the same as the slide up, slide down, slide left, but I'm going for the slide right. They all have the same properties, just a different direction. So what I like about this is you will see that it moves one to the right and then comes in with the next one. The default settings are the curve is at easing, what's always a good thing, and you can play around with the in and out points. What I do is I go up with the quality of the motion blur all the way, and also with the shutter full Monty here, and then I'm going and have some fun with the in and out points. So I set both to expo. And what you then will see is that it speeds up towards the middle between the clips. And it is even better visible if you spread the entire thing a little bit. It just makes it that much more. You see it starts slow and then there comes this whoosh. You can, of course, add a whoosh sound between. Let's do that. Let's grab an air whoosh that I picked up on freesound.org, where you can download a lot of free stuff. And yes, have fun with the in and out point presets and experiment with it. I hope you have a lot of fun with this. Let's have a look in full screen as always. And I wish you a great day ahead. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.